Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by posts in a Facebook group and wished you could tell Facebook you're just not interested in specific content, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you, step by step, how to mark a group post as not interested using the Facebook app on your PC, following the latest update. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have better control over what you see in your Facebook groups. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, head straight for the group where you keep seeing posts that just aren't for you. Maybe it's a topic you want to avoid, or maybe you'd rather see other kinds of updates. Take a look through the group's feed until you find the exact post that you're not interested in. It could be a meme, an event, or just a discussion you'd rather skip in the future. Once you've found it, hover over the post for a moment. You'll notice 3 small dots, usually in the top right corner of the post. Click on these 3 dots. This will open up a short menu with several options, all designed to help you customize your Facebook group experience. From the menu, choose the option labeled Not Interested. As soon as you click this, Facebook will register your preference. The post will disappear from your feed, and the algorithm will start learning what type of content you don't want to see, making your group feed a lot more relevant to your tastes. That's it. In just a few clicks, you've told Facebook which content you'd rather not see, helping you create a more enjoyable and personalized experience in your favorite groups. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, consider subscribing for more social media tips and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.